Hello beautiful, welcome back to my channel. Welcome. Alright, so today I'm going to be sharing with you fall autumn makeup that I love the most. Okay, I'm starting with my eyebrow. I use brown pencil and black pencil just because my hair is mostly black, very black. Okay, fall is a beautiful season, and when I think of it, I think of color brown, gold and orange. Those are the colors that reminds me so much of fall. It's a warm season and I love to blend with it. I'm going to be using LA Pro concealer in Fawn to highlight my eyebrow and use as a primer for my eyelid. Then I'm blending it out with a puff. Then I'm using light brown transition shade for the upper part of my eyelid and the deeper shade of brown for the outer part. Then the inner part is going to be covered with orange. I will use the black eye pencil to line my waterline just to make the white part of my eyes pop, as you can see. Okay, so the next is primer. I'm using Kiss Beauty face primer oil free serum. Then I'm using my hand to blend the foundation, Sasha foundation in beige. Alright, then the puff is just to make it to have a flawless finish at the end of the day. You guys will notice that I did not apply the foundation to my forehead. Instead, I used the puff to just apply there. Okay, so the highlights, I'm using the Fawn Toffee just to mix it up and make the under eye to pop more. And now I'm going to be using the Kiss Beauty Green Tea Makeup Fix just to prevent the foundation and the primer from drying out. I'm using Sasha foundation in shade Ebony for my contour. Now I'm going to be using loose powder to set my face, the part where I highlighted. And then the parts that are of darker shade where I contour, I'm using a compact powder that is darker than, a bit darker than my color. And then I added just a little blush, very light. I'm using black pencil to outline the cubic area of my lips before the brown pencil. Okay, then I'm going to be covering it with concealer just to serve as a base. You know, I mean, I've tried it before. I just noticed that it brings out the lipstick color better. All right, like it's going to form like layers of colors, and at the end of the day it's going to come out so well, so beautifully well. I don't know about you, but I kind of get tired of pressing my lips together, so I end up using my finger to put the lipstick in place. Then I added a nude color on top of it. So this is a trick I picked up from one of the artists that I follow. I cannot remember his name right now. Using white powder, you know, to form a kind of halo shade on my lips before applying the lip gloss. And check this out. Yeah, she's looking warm and beautiful. I kind of look edible, like chocolate, you know.